welcome to my channel. My name is Arusaks. If you're not familiar with my channel, I definitely try to put up videos. I've been a little MIA lately, but I'm coming back full force. I hope. I'm like, no, but I definitely am coming back because I miss filming and uploading videos. But if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, little thumbs up too. It would help me and make me happy. Definitely let me know if you do like the unboxing videos. Today I'm gonna unbox my BoxyCharm box. Woo! I love my BoxyCharm. So if you don't have BoxyCharm, you definitely need this in your life. It's 4 to 5 full-size items that they give you monthly, and it's only $21. So it's a heck of a deal. Only $21 a month, and you get a bunch of stuff. So let's look and see what I got for the month of June. Can't believe it's already June. Oh my gosh. This whole year is going by so fast. So much has happened. I'm like, ah. All right, so I love how it comes packaged. So you can see BoxyCharm, and then hello Charmer. Carribean Queen. Oh, okay, so the theme of this month is Carribean Queen. And then it kind of, every month it comes with like a little slip that tells you the different items that you're getting, and then what each item does, or you know, how to use it, and what the MSRP is on each one of those things. So let's get into the box, and I'll briefly kind of give you a little update on what each item is. But it pretty much comes packaged like this. I like this little foam thing. Really helpful, actually, if you want to like clean your brushes. It's just a side little thing. I like to keep those and use those to change colors on my brushes. But the first item that we got is this Luxie 3-piece brush set, which, let's see, it says it's a 3-piece flawless complexion. And the MSRP on these 3 brushes is $42. So that's pretty cool. It comes with a dual fiber powder brush, a precision foundation brush, and a tapered highlighter brush. So I'll definitely be using these, and we'll have to see how that works. The next item I got is lashes. Oh, these are pretty. They're Baddington lashes, and the MSRP on this is $28. It says it's Monroe silk lashes, and they are 100% silk, and it says impressive durability. I have issues wearing false lashes, so I may not be using these unless you guys know of like a good glue, because I used the duo glue and it messed up my eyes for like 2 weeks. It was like really red, and it gave me like really dry eye. I don't know, it was like a weird condition. So I think I'm allergic to the glue. But if you guys know of any good glues that I could use the lashes with that's maybe a little bit less toxic, let me know. I'll try it, and maybe I could start using lashes. The next thing that we got is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So that's Sol de Janeiro, and this is the item. So it says the MSRP on this is $10. It's like a little thing. You can kind of see the size of it in my palm. I love the way it smells. It smells so good. The next item I got is a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and this is in the color Charcoal by Jaunt Blue. And the MSRP for this is $5. It's kind of, this is what the pencil looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Kind of is like a crappy swatch, but seems to be. I'll do it again. Huh, it's not bad. The second one was better. The first one was a little bit streaky. I'll definitely be trying it. Maybe it's good. And then the next thing I got was this Galactic Beauty lip paint, and I got it in the color Blossom. I have one already from like a past one. I think it's a different color though. I'll show you guys the color. Ooh, yeah, I like this color. It's really pretty. This is the color. That is really, really pretty. I actually want to put it on right now. I have some lip gloss on. Otherwise I would totally put it on. But I love that color, so I'll definitely be using this. and that the MSRP on that is $23. And then last but not least, they gave us an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it's Reina del Caribe, Reina del Caribe. And these are the colors. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love it. I love this. Oh my god, the inside is so pretty. I love the beach and island themes. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm like, on camera. Let's go ahead and swatch these out for you guys, just so you can kind of see what they look like. I'm loving these colors though. Definitely. El Malecón. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Alright, let's go. I'm going to go in order. Here's the swatch of the colors. This one here is Cocoa Taxi, but it's so close to my skin color that it was really hard for it to kind of appear on camera. I could barely see it with my naked eye. I mean, you can kind of see the color there. Might be a good transition shade, but so my opinion really quick, just swatches, one finger swatches or whatever, is that the mattes are a little patchy. I'm not too happy with them. I'll definitely try them, but those shimmers, man, I'm living for them. They are amazing. Look how pretty. I can't wait to use these two colors. Oh my god, actually all of them, but really pretty. I'm curious how they look with a little bit of Fix Plus on there. Might be pretty amazing. But yeah, I like it. I mean, you know, you're going to have hit and misses with BoxyCharm. Not everything is going to be what you really want, but at the end of the day, it's only $21. So, I mean, where are you going to get 5 things for 21 bucks? I mean, yeah, probably you could try, but for me, it's totally worth it. I enjoy it. I look forward to seeing what's in the boxes every month, and I get to play with makeup, which is what I love to do. That's what I do for fun. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like unboxing videos, and if you like me unboxing my BoxyCharm every month. And if you have any comments, let me know. And if you do get BoxyCharm, let me know what variations you got in the box this month as well. Curious what else they sent out there. Alright guys, love you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever time it is that you're watching. Just know I'm wishing you guys a wonderful time, and stay tuned for more videos. Love you. Bye.